and today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my beef afritada. So please keep on watching. So I have here, this is my beef. I have cut into small chunks. So this is around 500 grams. And we need some veggies, of course. We need carrots, tomato, some lemon. I need some lemon for the meat. And some tomato, onion, and garlic. And aside from this, we need also as well a chickpeas. This is frozen one. If you have fresh one, that was also okay. And we'll be needing a tomato paste, some of this, and a tomato sauce, and some of the sausage. So first I have to saute first. No, first I have to brown my beef pieces. So now we just have to put our beef pieces in a wok or pan. We just brown this first. I just have to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil because beef has natural fats, of course. So we don't need so much fats. So we just brown this. And meanwhile, I can add my lemon as well. I can put my lemon. And some salt. I'm gonna put some salt. Salt is as per to your liking. Anyway, this is just in the beginning. Later you can add more salt if you require. So let's just leave it like this. And let's brown our meat first. And now let's check. This one is okay. So as you can see, it was nicely browned. So on this stage, I'm gonna add my sausage. And then just cook this sausage for another 2 minutes. Just leave it like this for 2 minutes. I'm also making tea for my husband, guys. And then this is okay now. So we have to remove this from the pan. I love it's really perfectly brown. So we have to remove this. And now we have to do our vegetables. So now we have to add olive oil. Just 2 tablespoons. And now our pan is already hot because we have cooked our meat. So now no need to wait. Now we just have to dump our onion first. And then we just saute until it gets translucent. And now followed by garlic. Just saute for a few seconds, or let's say 1 minute. And now tomato. Just saute until it becomes soft. I just want to add, salt to cook it faster. Just sprinkle salt. Now our tomato is cooked. Now it's time to put our vegetables. Potato and carrots, as well as the green peas. We just saute this first before we'll put our meat back in the pan. And now, we have to put our meat back here in the pan. Just give a good mix. The beef actually is very soft because this is a Brazilian beef. It was really nice. And some of the tomato paste, see, I just estimate this. It's up to you how much you like, but it's almost finished, so I just have to finish this off. That's enough. And some tomato sauce. Put some tomato sauce. For the tomato sauce, it just depends on you, as well as for the tomato paste. As per to your liking. I'm also cooking Isabella's food as well. That is mutton soup with rice. Okay, so now we can add our water. If I need more tomato sauce, I'll add later. But for now, this is enough. And I just cook this one, bring to boil, simmer until our vegetables gets cooked. Because actually our beef is already cooked and soft. Because I'm using the Brazilian beef. Okay, so they just cover this. And now, for this, we just have to add sprinkle of sugar. So to neutralize the acidity from the tomato sauce and tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So just have to put a little of sugar. And now let's check our beef Afritada. So as you can see, very nice color. And this is okay now. This is cooked. This is the gravy that I want to achieve. So this is perfect. And let's just have a taste if the salt was okay. Very nice. So I don't have to add anything more. This is perfect. So we just have to switch this off. This is very nice to pair with white rice. So guys, this is the recipe that I could able to share with you. This is actually quick and easy to prepare. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time I have a new uploads. So until then, I'll see you to my next one. Please be safe.